Looking for reliable power when you're far from the grid? In this video, we'll review the best generator for off-grid living, built to handle everything from remote cabins to camping adventures. Let's find the perfect off-grid power solution. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2. The Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 is an outstanding portable generator tailored for off-grid living, combining compact design with remarkable power output. Delivering a continuous 1500-watt AC output in a surge peak of 3000 watts, it can handle effortlessly essential appliances such as air conditioners, refrigerators, electric pots, and more, making it a reliable option for remote cabins, road trips, or emergency situations. Despite its impressive performance, it remains lightweight at just 23.8 pounds and comes equipped with a foldable handle, enhancing its portability for outdoor adventures. One of the standout features is its rapid charging capability. Thanks to the advanced Charge Shield 2.0 technology, the Explorer 1000 V2 can be fully charged in just 1 hour using the emergency charging mode available through the Jackery app. By default, it charges to full capacity in approximately 1.7 hours, a balanced setting designed to preserve long-term battery health. The unit houses a durable LFP LiF EPO4 battery, offering over 70% capacity retention after 4,000 charge cycles, ensuring a lifespan of more than a decade for dependable power on and off the grid. In terms of connectivity, the generator features a versatile array of ports including 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, a carport, and 3 pure sine wave AC outlets. The inclusion of PD100W fast USB-C charging allows users to quickly recharge devices without needing bulky power adapters. An integrated LED light also adds convenience during nighttime or emergency use. Number 2. ECOFLOW Portable. The ECOFLOW Portable Power Station is a dynamic and highly capable solution for those seeking reliable power in off-grid settings. Boasting an 80 watt-hour capacity with the option to expand up to 3 kilowatt-hours by connecting additional batteries, this portable generator adapts seamlessly to various power needs, whether for camping, RV travel, or home backup. With an impressive 1800-watt AC output, it can handle everything from kitchen appliances to power tools without the noise and fumes associated with traditional gas generators. A major highlight is its ultra-fast charging capability. The unit charges from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes and reaches a full charge in 80 minutes when connected to an AC outlet. This swift recharging feature makes it ideal for situations where time is of the essence, such as during emergency power outages or on-the-go adventures. For eco-conscious users, the Delta II model supports up to 500 watts of solar panel input, enabling users to harness clean, renewable energy while camping or living off-grid. Durability is another strong suit, with an LFP LiF EPO4 battery chemistry providing over 3,000 charge cycles, 6 times longer than many conventional batteries. Coupled with an advanced battery management system, or BMS, the power station actively regulates voltage, current, and temperature, ensuring safety and extended operational life. Functionality is further enhanced with 15 versatile outlets, including USB-C, USB-A, AC ports, and a carport, enabling users to power 90% of home appliances and electronic devices simultaneously. The generator's portability is complemented by a rugged, easy-to-carry design, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor and indoor scenarios. Number 3. Westinghouse 14500 Peak. The Westinghouse 14500 Peak generator is a robust, high-capacity power solution designed to serve as both a dependable portable unit and a powerful home backup generator. Its standout feature is its remarkable peak wattage of 14,500 watts and running wattage of 11,500 watts on gasoline. Even when switched to propane, it delivers 13,500 peak watts and 10,500 watts running. And when connected to natural gas, it still offers a solid 12,000 peak and 9,500 running. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for larger homes or off-grid living setups requiring significant continuous power. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage. The generator operates for up to 19 hours on a single 9.5-gallon fuel tank, which includes a built-in fuel gauge for convenient monitoring. When powered by a 20-pound propane tank, it still runs an impressive 7 hours, giving users multiple fuel options based on availability and preference. Its heavy-duty 550cc 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine, built with a durable cast iron sleeve, ensures long-lasting reliability and consistent performance under demanding conditions. The unit also provides a wide array of outlet options, capable of powering everything from essential home appliances to larger equipment and tools. Though it lacks modern app connectivity, its straightforward manual operation is appreciated by users seeking a traditional, no-nonsense generator setup. Number 4. BLUETTI Solar Generator AC180. The BLUETTI Solar Generator AC180 is a compact yet powerful off-grid power solution, perfect for anyone seeking clean, efficient, and portable energy. This unit features a 1152 WHHLIFPO4 battery, known for its safety and long cycle life, capable of maintaining up to 80% of its original capacity after 3,500 plus cycles. The AC180 can be fully charged in just 1 hour, using 1440 W AC input, ensuring you're never left without power when you need it most. With an 1800 W AC output and the ability to boost up to 2700 W in power lifting mode, the AC180 handles everything from refrigerators and microwaves to power tools with ease. Its 11 versatile outlets including AC, USB-C, USB-A, and a carport allow users to charge multiple devices and appliances simultaneously. This adaptability is ideal for off-grid living, road trips, or emergency home use. The AC180's built-in MPPT charge controller supports up to 500 W of solar input, enabling rapid, eco-friendly charging in just 2.8 to 3.3 hours under optimal sunlight. This makes it a dependable choice for those prioritizing renewable energy solutions. Additionally, it functions as a reliable UPS, uninterruptible power supply, providing backup power to essential devices within 20 milliseconds during outages. Operation and monitoring are simplified with the BLUETTI app, allowing users to check battery status, adjust settings, and toggle between modes remotely. The generator also comes equipped with practical accessories, including an AC charging cable, car charging cable, solar charging cable, and user manual, ensuring users have everything needed for a seamless setup. Number 5. Champion Power Equipment 4000 Watt. The Champion Power Equipment 4000 Watt portable generator is a dependable and versatile option for those in need of reliable off-grid power. Its dual fuel capability allows it to operate on either gasoline or propane, providing flexibility based on fuel availability and personal preference. Producing 4,000 starting watts and 3,000 running watts on gasoline, and 2,700 running watts on propane, this generator can efficiently power a wide range of appliances, tools, and electronics. Its one standout feature is the CO Shield carbon monoxide auto shutoff system, enhancing user safety by automatically powering down the generator if CO levels become dangerous. A 120-volt 28 household duplex outlet and a 120V DC automotive-style outlet. The inverter technology ensures clean, stable electricity with less than 3% total harmonic distortion, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.